Hi, Grace. I've called you twice. Once you hung up on me, and I've sent you a whole bunch of emails. So you had many issues in the classroom with not responding and also not posting the correct format. So I've tried to warn you about that. You've had zeros for things like that throughout, and you've not communicated with me about them at all. So that said, I wanted to give you one final critique. It looks though you don't have enough points to pass. I will fail you if that is the case. However, if you actually watch this and you want to update all of that work, I will put in a change of grade form. But in the meantime, I've got to go by what I see. So again, this logo is not going to reproduce well. It looks like a G and a C and a little bow tie. It's hard to see, and as a graphic designer, you want your work to look sharp. Um, you've got to spell check. This experience is spelled wrong. Besides that, all caps type is hard to read. And then finally, graphic designers do whatever they can to edit out hyphens. So this resume, just based on the type alone, would not get reviewed. I'm wondering too what these dots are. Is that your way of rating yourself? Because they look like pauses. All right. Pursuing. This is pursue. I think pursuing is spelled different. Bachelor's is spelled different. Definitely double check that. Again, um, you know, all caps type, like I said, is super hard to read. And I can see that, copy editing didn't happen. Okay, so this is 100%. It's hard to read this. It's not business letter size. You can easily go on the internet and find out what a business letter size is. And I'm wondering, what does the other side look like? I think some students in the class asked you that as well. This envelope looks nice. I like the decorative end here. It would be cool to see maybe a stamp and how are you going to work with black paper? You can't just write on there. You're going to have a white pencil. You're going to affix labels. Give us a little more of a realistic idea of what it's going to look like. Okay, so why don't you continue that theme that you had on the envelope and put that little decorative touch there? Okay, so this is only part of a folder. It's not a folder unless it folds. And then your logo is distorted. I can see that the G is longer here than it is on other pages. So what you want to do, if you're going to scale something, you hold down Shift while you're scaling in the corners, and the work will stay proportionate. Okay, so that's it. There's lots of problems, and you're not communicating, so that's a big issue. If you hear this and you decide to um, talk to me, I will work with you. You just gotta let me know. Bye bye.